another edition of Pop Topics. We have our Pop in the Box. This month we have two this month. So let's pop the box open and take a look and see what we got this month. Ready? Boot up. Two. What do we got? Who's this one? Who? Cinderella. So we got Cinderella and Maleficent. Wow, so cool. Yeah, so we got two from the Disney series. We have Maleficent from series 1 and then Cinderella from series 4. Pretty cool. And we do not have either one of these. We do have a pocket pop of Maleficent, but this is pretty cool. So, Pop in the Box, guaranteed not to get anything that you've already got once you get your collection set up on there. Pretty cool. And kids are very excited for Cinderella and Maleficent. Okay. Like Cinderella?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cinderella pretty. And it's animated Cinderella too. It's not the crappy movie Cinderella. Alright. So that's going to be it for this month's Pop Topics. And we'll see you guys next month. So bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Done? No. I'll see you next month.